Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this error message that you are seeing on your screen. Now the reason I'm doing this video is because we've done several videos about how to redeem Apple Music, and in some of our videos we see in the comment section where people complain about how their code limit has been reached. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this error message. And take note, this tutorial is only for this error message. There are several other error messages out there, but this tutorial is just for this error message. So follow along in this tutorial and you'll be able to fix this error message and you can keep enjoying Apple Music for free. So without wasting much time, let's get into the tutorial and let me show you guys how you can do this. In order to get started, head over to your settings, scroll down till you find apps. Over here, locate the Mail app. Now tap on Mail Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Select the iCloud mail provider. Tap on Create a new Apple account. Now enter any random first name, last name and birthday, but make sure the date for the birthday is not below 18 years. After doing this, tap on Continue. Now enter a valid email address for your new Apple account. After doing that, tap on Continue. When you see this pop up on your screen, tap on Create Email Address. Now create a valid password for your account and tap on Continue. Now you need to verify your account with your phone number, so go ahead and tap on Continue. When you see the terms and conditions, tap on the Agree button after you are done reading them. And just like that, we have successfully created a new mail account, or in other words, we have successfully created a new iCloud account with a brand new Apple ID on our iPhone. Time for the next step. Navigate back to the home or the first page of your settings app and scroll all the way to the top. At the top, you will see your main Apple account. I want you to tap on it to open it. Now tap on Media and Purchases. You'll be given two options to choose from. Tap on Sign Out. Next, you'll be given this prompt asking if you are sure you want to sign out of these Apple services, such as your App Store, your Apple Music, your Apple TV, and more. Now, I want you to keep in mind that it's only going to sign you out of these Apple services, except for your Apple iCloud. So if you are okay with that, go ahead and tap on Sign Out. Okay, so now that we have signed out our main or our primary Apple iCloud account, now it's time to sign in with the new Apple account that we created a few minutes or a few seconds ago. So go ahead and tap on Media and Purchases again. When you see this pop up on your screen, I want you to choose the option that is not your primary account. That is the second option. Now enter the email address of the new Apple account that we just created and tap on Continue. Enter your password as well and tap on Continue. And just like that, you have successfully signed in your new Apple ID or your secondary Apple ID into your App Store, your Apple Music, your Apple TV, and your other Apple services on your iPhone. Now head over to your App Store, tap on your profile icon, take note of the country and region, which is United States, and tap on Manage Payments. Now you need to add a payment method to your new Apple account. So go ahead and add either a credit or debit card or a PayPal account if you have one. I have a debit card, so I'll add that. I'll enter the number, the expiry date, and the security code. And for the billing address, I'm going to use this website over here to generate a random billing address and enter that information over there. After you are done entering all that information, tap on Done at the top right corner. Now that we have successfully added our payment method, it's time to get our Apple Music for free. Head over to this website, tap on the Redeem Now button, and as you can see, the error message did not appear. Rather, we are getting 1 month free trial and a 1 month offer, making 2 months of free Apple Music. So go ahead and double click to redeem it. And that is how to fix that error message that you guys have been encountering when it comes to redeeming Apple Music for free. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and share this video with others who are encountering the same error when it comes to Apple Music, Apple TV, and the other Apple services. And also consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss our next updates when we drop it. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.